So guys, true fact, this dish is one of our former President Obama's favorite Indonesian dish. And I know why, because it's absolutely amazing.
I remember. Bakso. Enak ya?
Abang tukang bakso, mari-mari sini, aku mau beli. Abang tukang bakso, cepat dong kemari, sudah tak tahan lagi.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be trying bakso. Bakso is a popular dish in Indonesia. It's known as a tasty Indonesian cuisine here. And I'm going to be trying this dish. It is bakso puyu mixed with bakso urat. It is from the city called Solo, which is from central Java in Indonesia. And this looks so good. It looks so appetizing. I'm so excited to try this dish. Okay guys, so right here, as you can see, I have bihun noodles. These are the white noodles in here. And these are Indonesian meatballs. They are made from beef. And then we have all this yummy broth. Look at that, that looks so good. It is a beef broth. And there's also some fried shallots in here, some green onion. So there's so many sauces here. Here's sambal, which is spicy sauce. There's some limes. They also have some ketchup mani sauce, which is sweet sauce. And they also have more chabe. I think I'm just gonna add a little lime to mine. So I'm just gonna squeeze it. Here goes my first bite. It is so tasty, so delicious. You can taste all the flavors in here. They all complement each other. Now for the beef ball. This is called the bakso. So good. So I ordered two kinds of bakso, and one bakso has bird egg in here. And I think this is it. This is it. You see the bird egg in here? The egg mixed with the bakso gives it an excellent tasty taste. It is so good. Enak.
Enak ya?
So good, guys. I almost forgot. I ordered an avocado drink. So here in Indonesia, this is a popular beverage here. It's very refreshing and very tasty. It's sweet. And I have to admit, when I first moved here, I was kind of grossed out. You think avocado mixed into a drink? Well, hear me out. This is a really good drink. It is avocado mixed with condensed milk, and then they pour chocolate syrup on it and makes it the perfect sweet drink that is so refreshing. Now I'm going to try it. So good. This drink is one of my favorites here. So what I like about Indonesia, from every city and every province, there's a dish from each city and each province. They specialize in many dishes. They have their own specialty dish, and this is called Pisang IJO. Now, it's a dessert, and it's an iced dessert. There is bananas, which is called pisang. You'll see the ice mixed with strawberry syrup. Okay, so this is the main part, which is the banana, which is a pisang. So what you do is you mix all of them. I'm gonna mix the pisang with the ice. Top it off with this. Now look at that, that looks good. Let's give it a try. Wow guys, this is amazing. So good. Now this concludes my culinary venture eating one of the tastiest meals from the city of Solo in Indonesia. I will for sure be back soon. Until next time. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.